The megalodon has long been considered the ultimate sea predator, but what if something even more terrifying exists in the depths? With that in mind, here are 20 chilling secret creatures of the deep sea. Number 20. The Giant Orfish. Throughout history, sightings of the Giant Orfish have led to tales of sea serpent. Many ancient cultures believed that these rare encounters were proof of monstrous creatures lurking beneath the surface. When this fish was first discovered by scientists, it was met with skepticism. Its appearance was just too bizarre. The Giant Orfish has a long, thin, ribbon-like body that looks almost otherworldly. Typically, these fish grow to about 10 feet, but some can reach lengths of up to 40 feet. They are the longest bony fish in the world and are often linked with legendary sea serpent stories. Their long, silver bodies combined with their unique dorsal fins that stretch along their backs only add to their mystical appearance. Unfortunately, sightings of giant oarfish are rare since they live deep in the ocean, nearly 3,000 feet below sea level. Their remote habitat makes it difficult for scientists to observe them in their natural environment, leaving much about their behavior, reproduction, and role in the ecosystem a mystery. When these creatures do wash ashore, it's a moment of awe and wonder, leaving scientists eager to uncover the secrets of this elusive species. The ocean is filled with mysteries, from strange creatures with incredible features to animals with abilities we don't fully understand. It's a reminder that there is so much more to explore in the depths of our world's oceans. Number 19. The Japanese spider crab. When you think of terrifying creatures, crabs might not be the first to come to mind. However, the Japanese spider crab stands out as an exception. With a leg span that can reach over 12 feet, it holds the title of the largest crab on Earth. Its legs are long, thin, and spindly, stretching out like a spider's limbs, which is how it earned its name. One of the first people to capture one dubbed it Crabzilla, a fitting name considering its sheer size and unsettling appearance. These crabs can grow far larger than most of their crustacean relatives. They live in the deep waters of the Pacific Ocean, often as deep as 1,800 feet below the surface, but they sometimes wander into shallower waters. Despite their intimidating size, Japanese spider crabs are harmless to humans. They are scavengers, feeding on debris, mollusks, and small invertebrates found on the ocean floor. While they are not aggressive, their large size and strange form can be a shocking sight for those who encounter them. These crabs move slowly across the seabed, using their long legs to glide gracefully. Their giant size, however, can make their movements appear awkward, which adds to the oddness of their presence. Number 18. The Headless Chicken Monster. At first glance, the headless chicken monster sounds like a joke. In reality, it's a strange swimming sea cucumber that looks remarkably like a headless chicken. Found in the ocean's deepest, darkest regions, it seems almost lifeless, but it's very much alive. This creature's odd, translucent body, which lacks bones, adds to its eerie appearance. Its name comes from the way its shape resembles a chicken without its head, making it look both bizarre and unsettling. Despite having no bones, the headless chicken monster moves by using its muscles in an undulating fashion. Unlike many other sea cucumbers, which stay fixed to the ocean floor, this species is capable of swimming. It drifts through the water, gliding smoothly in the dark depths. The movement is powered by small tube feet along its underside. These tube feet generate a unique fluttering-like motion that propels the creature forward. Its body is semi-transparent, revealing its internal structure and a network of vessels that helps circulate fluids. This ability to move through the water and its otherworldly appearance make it one of the ocean's most curious inhabitants. Number 17. The Fangtoothoth Fish. The Fangtoothoth Fish may not seem like a formidable predator at first glance, but upon closer inspection, it reveals its true terrifying nature. Despite being only about 16 centimeters in length, this deep-sea fish is equipped with the largest teeth in relation to body size of any fish in the ocean. Its sharp, fang-like teeth are so large that they barely fit inside its mouth, making its appearance all the more unsettling. The fangtoothoth fish thrives at depths ranging from 200 to over 5,000 meters below the surface, in the darkest corners of the ocean. This ability to live at such extreme depths allows the fish to adapt to various dark and cold environments, making it a skilled predator in these inky waters. While the fangtoothoth fish is not dangerous to humans due to its small size and non-aggressive nature, its sharp teeth and ability to tear through prey with ease make it a powerful hunter. The fangtoothoth fish is a reminder of how strange and terrifying the creatures of the deep ocean can be, and how much we still have yet to discover in these mysterious, uncharted waters. Number 16. The Deep Sea Dragonfish. The Deep Sea Dragonfish is a small yet formidable predator lurking in the dark depths of the ocean. This creature may only grow to about 26 centimeters, but its sharp, needle-like teeth make it an efficient hunter. Although it might seem harmless at first, its eerie appearance and specialized hunting techniques make it one of the most intimidating creatures in the deep sea. The dragonfish lives at extreme depths, often over 1,000 meters below the surface, where no natural light reaches. To hunt in these pitch-black waters, it has developed a unique bioluminescent lure near its mouth. This glowing appendage attracts unsuspecting prey, pulling them closer to its sharp teeth. Once within range, the dragonfish strikes with remarkable speed, ensuring that escape is nearly impossible. Its glowing lure not only attracts food but serves as a chilling reminder of how life has adapted to the ocean's complete darkness. The dragonfish's menacing, large eyes and razor-sharp teeth only add to its terrifying appearance, making it seem like a creature straight out of a nightmare. Despite being harmless to humans, it thrives in an environment where survival is tough, and its deadly efficiency as a hunter makes it one of the ocean's most fearsome inhabitants. Now it's time for today's topic. A ship crew navigating the remote waters of the South Pacific has reported a chilling encounter with a massive, serpent-like creature that they claim resembled something straight out of mythology. According to the crew, the creature emerged from the depths during the night, its enormous, sinuous body gliding alongside the ship. Its size was described as unimaginable, with glowing eyes and a head that resembled ancient depictions of sea serpents in folklore. To help visualize what they saw, 3D artists have created an image based on the crew's descriptions, which has since gone viral. The image depicts a creature so massive and otherworldly that it has reignited debates about what might still be lurking in the uncharted depths of the ocean. While some skeptics argue that the crew may have exaggerated the size of the creature due to fear or poor visibility, others believe their account could point to an undiscovered species. The deep sea is full of mysterious creatures we've yet to encounter, one marine biologist commented. Whether it was a case of overdescription or a genuine sighting of a massive unknown creature, the crew remains adamant about what they saw, leaving the world to wonder what secrets the ocean still hides. Number 15. The stealthy hatchetfish. The hatchetfish is one of the most impressive survivors of the deep ocean, perfectly suited to its dark, dangerous environment. This small, silvery fish has a unique flattened body that resembles the blade of a hatchet. This specialized shape is essential for its survival in a world where light is nearly non-existent and predators are always a threat. Found at depths between 200 and 1,000 meters, the hatchetfish lives in a world where visibility is limited and predators lurk in the shadows. Its most remarkable survival tactic is counterillumination. The fish's body contains light-producing organs known as photophores, which help it blend in with the faint light that filters down from the ocean's surface. This creates an illusion that makes the fish nearly invisible to predators below, as they see only the dim light from above. This camouflage technique is an extraordinary evolutionary trait, and the hatchetfish is one of the best at using it. The ability to adjust the brightness and color of its light allows the fish to perfectly match its surroundings, making it almost impossible for predators to spot. This adaptation lets the hatchetfish avoid danger and continue thriving in the perilous depths of the ocean. Number 14. The Giant Squid. The giant squid has long been associated with the legendary kraken, a mythical sea monster said to drag entire ships beneath the waves. These creatures, which can grow up to 13 meters long, have fascinated and terrified humans for centuries. Although the giant squid is rarely seen alive, it remains one of the most elusive and mysterious creatures of the deep. The squid's tentacles are lined with sharp, toothed suckers, allowing it to capture and hold onto prey with incredible force. The tentacles can stretch up to 10 meters, making it an efficient and fearsome predator in the dark, crushing depths of the ocean. Despite its size and powerful hunting abilities, the giant squid is rarely encountered by humans. Most of what we know about it comes from specimens that have washed ashore dead or dying. This rarity has fueled countless myths and legends about sea monsters, with sailors in past centuries recounting stories of ships being attacked and pulled under the water. While the giant squid is more myth than fact in many ways, its true existence is awe-inspiring. Living at depths often exceeding 1,000 meters, it remains a creature of the unknown, further adding to its mystique and fearsome reputation. Number 13. Lion's Mane Jellyfish. A floating giant with tentacles that can extend over 100 feet long, the lion's mane jellyfish is a true giant of the sea. Often regarded as one of the largest jellyfish in the world, it has a bell that can reach up to 6 feet in diameter. Its long, flowing tentacles resemble the majestic mane of a lion, giving it both beauty and danger. Despite its intimidating size, the lion's mane jellyfish is a passive creature, drifting through the ocean currents and relying on its tentacles to capture prey. The tentacles are lined with thousands of tiny stinging cells called nematocysts, which can deliver a painful sting to anything that touches them. Although the sting is rarely fatal to humans, it can cause intense pain, skin irritation, and in some cases, severe allergic reactions. Swimmers and boaters who encounter this massive jellyfish should seek medical attention if stung, as the severity of the reaction can vary. In its natural habitat, the lion's mane jellyfish uses its long, stinging tentacles as a deadly net to trap fish, small invertebrates, and other marine life. It floats with the currents, waiting for its prey to become entangled. Once captured, the prey is paralyzed and brought to the jellyfish's bell, where it is digested. This method of hunting allows the lion's mane jellyfish to thrive, feeding on a variety of sea creatures. Number 12. Atlantic wolffish. Teeth and antifreeze. The Atlantic wolffish is a creature of the deep, cold waters of the North Atlantic, and its appearance alone can be intimidating. With sharp, canine-like teeth, it looks like a fierce predator. However, despite its menacing look, the wolffish is a relatively calm creature that prefers a diet of slow-moving prey such as crabs, sea urchins, and small fish. Its powerful jaws and sharp teeth are perfectly designed to crack open the tough shells of its prey, but the wolffish does not actively hunt larger animals. Instead, it relies on its ability to thrive in extremely cold conditions where few other creatures can survive. The wolffish is capable of living in waters as cold as -2 degrees Celsius thanks to a unique adaptation, antifreeze proteins in its blood. These proteins prevent ice crystals from forming inside its body, allowing the wolffish to maintain its bodily functions even in freezing temperatures. This ability is crucial for survival in the harsh conditions of the North Atlantic and gives the wolffish an advantage over other species that cannot tolerate such cold. This extraordinary adaptation allows the wolffish to thrive in an environment where most other creatures would perish. Number 11. Whale sharks. Despite their enormous size, whale sharks, scientifically known as Rhynchodon typus, are among the most docile creatures in the ocean. These majestic giants feed on plankton, small fish, and other microscopic organisms, making them completely harmless to humans. Whale sharks are slow-moving and peaceful, spending most of their time gliding through the ocean, typically near the surface, where they filter food through their wide mouths and gills. Their serene movements and gentle nature have earned them the title of gentle giants. However, this peaceful behavior makes them vulnerable to exploitation. Their slow movements and feeding habits often overlap with human fishing activities, leaving them susceptible to becoming accidental bycatch in nets or traps. Unfortunately, the Shandong incident in 2013, where a deceased whale shark was brought ashore by fishermen, highlights just how easily these creatures can fall victim to human activities. While whale sharks do not pose any threat to humans, their impressive size and calm demeanor make them a prized catch, whether for their rarity or the awe they inspire. Although they are generally not targeted by commercial fishing, their vulnerability and the allure of their size have led to some exploitation. To ensure these majestic creatures thrive, conservation efforts are essential to protect them and their habitats. Preserving their peaceful existence in our oceans is crucial for future generations to experience the wonder of these incredible creatures. Number 10. Goblin Shark. The goblin shark is one of the ocean's most bizarre and unsettling creatures. Known as a living fossil, this rare shark species has existed for over 100 million years with little change. Its most notable feature is its long, flat snout, which gives it an almost alien look. This strange snout, called a rostrum, is equipped with electroreceptors that help the goblin shark detect prey in the pitch-black waters of the deep ocean. But what truly makes this shark terrifying is its extendable jaw. The goblin shark can thrust its jaw forward in a rapid, spring-like motion to capture prey. This lightning-fast strike is both startling and highly effective, allowing the goblin shark to snatch up fish and squid with incredible precision. The shark spends most of its life in the depths, typically between 200 and 1,000 meters below the surface. Rare sightings of the goblin shark closer to the surface add to its mystery, making it an even more enigmatic creature of the deep. The goblin shark's odd appearance and its unique hunting technique ensure that it remains one of the most fearsome and fascinating creatures of the ocean. Number 9. Illegal exploitation of whale sharks. In 2013, the Shandong incident shocked the world when a deceased whale shark was found, raising awareness about the illegal exploitation of these gentle giants. This event drew attention to a broader issue, especially in areas like Zhangzhou province, where factories are involved in the illegal processing of whale sharks. The shocking reality is that an estimated 600 whale sharks are killed every year. Their meat, fins, and oil are highly sought after, fueling a dangerous black market. Whale shark meat is consumed in some regions, while their fins are valued for traditional medicine and as luxury items. The oil extracted from these creatures is used in cosmetics and industrial products, further driving the illegal trade. This large-scale exploitation threatens the survival of the whale shark, a species already classified as vulnerable by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN. As their population continues to decline at an alarming rate, conservationists urge stricter regulations and more effective enforcement to protect these magnificent animals. The illegal trade of whale shark products must be curbed, and sustainable practices must be adopted to ensure that these incredible creatures remain part of our oceans for generations to come. Number 8. The Ocean Sunfish. Have you ever seen something so strange you wondered if it was real? That's the Ocean Sunfish for you. With its flat, disc-like body and huge size, it breaks all the rules of what we expect from ocean creatures. On average, this fish reaches a length of about 10 feet and weighs over 2 tons, making it one of the heaviest bony fish on the planet. Its small eyes and tiny mouth in comparison to its massive body make it look almost comical, like something out of an artist's wild imagination. The sunfish is often found floating near the water's surface, earning it a reputation as one of the ocean's oddities. This behavior helps it regulate its body temperature by basking in the sun, but its unusual habits don't stop there. The sunfish is also home to many parasites that attach to its skin, giving it an even stranger appearance. Despite these unwelcome guests, the ocean sunfish thrives in the open ocean, where it feeds mostly on jellyfish, though it occasionally eats small fish and invertebrates. Its surprising size, strange habits, and unusual look make the sunfish a remarkable oddity of the sea. Number 7. Vampire Squid. Despite its spooky name, the vampire squid does not drink blood. Instead, this small, elusive creature captures its prey using its specialized, spiny tentacles. Living in the deep, oxygen-deprived regions of the ocean, typically between 200 and 2,000 feet beneath the surface, the vampire squid hunts in a way that is as unique as its eerie look. Its tentacles are lined with sharp spines that help it latch onto tiny planktonic organisms, which make up the majority of its diet. Unlike other squid species that use quick strikes to catch prey, the vampire squid takes a more passive approach. It creates a sticky layer of mucus that traps small organisms in the water. The squid's appearance is as distinctive as its feeding style. Its dark, velvety body and the cloak-like webbing between its arms give it the look of a mysterious, ancient creature. This webbing forms a shape that resembles an umbrella, enhancing its otherworldly appearance. The squid also has disproportionately large eyes, perfect for seeing in the dim light of its deep-sea habitat. Despite its menacing name, the vampire squid is not aggressive toward humans and poses no real danger. It is a remarkable example of adaptation, blending elegance with an air of mystery. Its graceful yet dark appearance and its ability to thrive in extreme depths make it both beautiful and terrifying. Number 6. The Frilled Shark. The frilled shark is often called a living fossil due to its ancient lineage, which has remained virtually unchanged for millions of years. With its long, eel-like body and frilly gills, this shark looks like something from a prehistoric time. Its lack of a dorsal fin and unique appearance set it apart from more familiar shark species. The frilled shark's hunting technique is one of its most terrifying features. Unlike other sharks that may ambush or chase down their prey, the frilled shark hunts with shocking speed, lunging at its target and swallowing it whole. This direct and aggressive hunting style makes it an efficient predator in the deep ocean. While its diet primarily consists of smaller fish and squid, it has been known to take prey much larger than itself. The frilled shark dwells at great depths, typically between 200 and 600 meters in the dark, mysterious parts of the ocean. Little is known about its behavior or population, which only adds to its reputation as an elusive and enigmatic creature. The mystery surrounding the frilled shark makes it both a fascinating and terrifying presence in the deep sea. For many, this shark remains an ancient predator shrouded in the unknown, and perhaps it's better that way. Number 5. The Deep Sea Anglerfish. When it comes to terrifying ocean creatures, size doesn't always matter, and the deep sea anglerfish is a prime example of this. While it may only grow to about 18 centimeters, it is undeniably one of the most fearsome inhabitants of the deep. The anglerfish lives at depths over 2,000 meters, where no light reaches, and its adaptations for survival in this darkness are truly unsettling. One of the anglerfish's most notable features is the bioluminescent lure that hangs in front of its face. This glowing appendage attracts prey in the deep, where the faintest light stands out. The light is produced by symbiotic bacteria that live inside the lure, a relationship that benefits both the bacteria and the anglerfish. Scientists believe the anglerfish can control the intensity of the light, making it flicker or glow steadily to mimic the movements of small prey. This clever trick lures unsuspecting fish and crustaceans directly into the anglerfish's waiting jaws. Its enormous mouth and expandable stomach allow it to swallow prey much larger than itself, a crucial adaptation in the food-scarce depths of the ocean. The anglerfish's ability to remain motionless for long periods also helps it conserve energy while waiting for prey to approach. Fish drawn to the light swim closer, only to be snatched by the anglerfish's razor-sharp teeth in an instant. The lure serves as both bait and weapon, turning the anglerfish into a deadly predator in the abyss. An interesting aspect of the anglerfish's biology is the size difference between the sexes. Female anglerfish are significantly larger than the males, and the tiny males fuse with the females during mating, effectively becoming attached to them. This grotesque adaptation ensures the survival of the species, as the males become little more than reproductive organs with no independent function. The anglerfish's eerie bioluminescence and unusual reproductive behavior make it one of the most bizarre and terrifying creatures in the deep sea. Number 4. The Bloop Sea Monster. In the vast, mysterious depths of the ocean, the unknown can be more terrifying than anything visible. One of the most intriguing and eerie occurrences in oceanic history is the bloop, an ultra-low frequency sound recorded by NOAA in 1997. This strange noise traveled over 5,000 kilometers across the Pacific Ocean, and despite its vast range, its source remains unknown. The sound was so powerful that it was picked up by multiple underwater listening stations, originally designed to detect submarines during the Cold War. Its frequency and pattern were unlike anything previously recorded, leading some scientists to speculate that it could have been biological in origin. If it were a living creature, it would have to be far larger than any known marine animal, even surpassing the size of a blue whale. The possibility of such a massive, undiscovered organism existing in the unexplored depths of the ocean has fascinated cryptozoologists and marine biologists alike. Others have pointed out that the ocean is so vast and unexplored that it's entirely plausible for species of unimaginable size to remain hidden. On the other hand, some theories suggest that the noise could have been caused by an iceberg calving, when large chunks of ice break off from Antarctica. While iceberg calving can create deep, rumbling sounds, the bloop was recorded both above and below the water's surface, which complicates this explanation. The mystery surrounding the bloop has sparked debates and fueled the possibility that something truly monstrous might exist in the depths of the ocean, waiting to be discovered. Number 3. Moay Eels. Moay Eels are among the most unusual and intimidating creatures found in the deep ocean, with their striking appearance and eerie behavior. Unlike other eels, morays have vibrant and often dazzling colors, ranging from greens to yellows to blues, which can make them appear similar to sea snakes. These eels are found in tropical oceans around the world, where their bright coloring helps them blend into the reefs and rocks. Moay eels are also known for their unique second set of jaws, called pharyngeal jaws, which are located in their throats and help them pull prey deeper into their mouths. This adaptation is rare among fish and makes them highly effective at securing their meals, even if the prey tries to escape. They often work in tandem with other predators, such as groupers, in a form of cooperative hunting where the moray flushes prey out of hiding spots for the grouper to catch. Their flexible, snake-like bodies allow them to navigate tight spaces in coral reefs, making them nearly impossible to evade once they've locked onto their target. Despite their fearsome reputation, moay eels are not typically aggressive toward humans unless provoked or cornered, and many divers have even observed them displaying curious or playful behavior. Their poor eyesight is offset by a powerful sense of smell, which allows them to track down prey even if it has hidden itself in cracks or crevices. This keen sense makes them efficient hunters, capable of finding food in places where other predators might struggle. Moay eels have sharp teeth and jaws that can strike quickly and forcefully, but their hunting style is different from many other predators. Their reputation for being aggressive comes from their stealth approach and quick strikes, which can give them a somewhat sinister aura. Number 2. Barreleye fish. The transparent marvel, the barreleye fish, also called the greenhouse fish, is one of the most fascinating creatures of the deep ocean. Its most remarkable feature is its transparent head, which allows a rare and clear view of its internal organs, an adaptation not commonly seen in marine life. The fish's eyes are its most striking trait, positioned within its transparent skull. The barrel-shaped eyes are oriented upward, enabling the fish to see above it for potential prey such as small fish or plankton. What's even more fascinating is that the fish can rotate its eyes forward when needed, giving it a wider field of vision to track prey or avoid predators. Scientists believe this ability to shift its gaze is crucial for survival in the pitch-black depths, where every movement could mean the difference between life and death. The barreleye fish also has highly sensitive retinas, packed with rod cells that allow it to detect even the faintest glimmers of bioluminescent light. This helps it locate prey that emits light, such as jellyfish or small crustaceans, which are common in its habitat. Its small, delicate fins allow it to hover motionlessly in the water, conserving energy while it scans its surroundings for food or danger. This unique vision helps the barreleye fish hunt in the deep ocean, where light is scarce and predators are always a concern. Found at depths between 200 and 2,000 meters, the barreleye fish is adapted to living in areas where sunlight cannot penetrate. Its transparent head makes it almost invisible to predators, blending perfectly into the dark waters. The fish's upward-facing eyes are also a defense mechanism, allowing it to keep watch for threats from above. This combination of adaptations makes the barreleye fish an expert at both hunting and avoiding danger in the deep ocean. Number 1. The stonefish. When it comes to deadly ocean creatures, the stonefish ranks high among the most dangerous. It holds the title of the most venomous fish in the world, capable of delivering a sting so painful it can cause excruciating agony, and if left untreated, it may lead to heart failure. Stonefish are known for their incredible camouflage abilities, blending perfectly with the ocean floor, making them difficult to spot even by experienced divers and fishermen. This camouflage makes them especially dangerous, as unsuspecting individuals may accidentally step on them while walking in shallow waters, triggering a venomous sting. Every year, numerous people in Australia and other regions where stonefish live suffer from stings, which can cause intense pain, swelling, paralysis, and extreme discomfort. If left untreated, the sting can lead to more severe complications, including respiratory failure or even death. However, with prompt medical treatment and antivenom, the risk of serious harm can be reduced. Ironically, despite its deadly nature, the stonefish is considered a delicacy in some parts of the world. When properly prepared through careful cooking, its venom is neutralized, making it safe to eat. Do you believe in deep-sea creatures? Which of these creatures do you think is scarier than the megalodon? Let us know in the comments below. See you next time.